Hi lovelies, welcome back again on the channel. In this video I'll be sharing with you how to make gathers using this industrial gathers food. Gathering is no longer stressful with this food. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe on this channel and turn on your notification bell. Now get your fabric, get your food. You can easily get this from your sewing tool stores. Grab your screwdriver to change the foot from the regular sewing foot. Just like you see me this way, pull out the thread in the bobbin and drag both backwards just like this. Now place your fabric underneath, and before you start sewing, ensure that your stitch length is set on the longest stitch length. Alright, now start sewing just like you would normally do. Please do not backstitch the beginning of your stitch. Just start sewing just like that right away and continue to sew this, and you will see how it gathers up your fabric just by itself. And you can see that this saves you the stress of gathering and gathering. When you get to the end just like this, do not backstitch, and then raise up your foot and pull out a bit more thread. Just in case the gathers is too much, you can just ease it out with this thread. Then measure the length of your gathers, and if it's still much more than the length you need, you can just easily pull it in just like you will manually do, just like this with the lower thread. You can see how easy this is. This gathers foot works on mostly medium to lightweight fabrics, so you can go ahead to get yours. And if you need the one that will work on your domestic blackhead sewing machine, that one is totally different from this one. When you get to your sewing tool store, ask them, they also have it right there. I hope you have found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so already. Turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I post a new video, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.